Welcome back, fellow food geeks. It's good to have you back. I hope you well wherever you are and are gearing up for the game season. Yes, IPL that is. So today we are going to make loaded nachos. Yes, nachos with all the goodness of veggies and cheesy sauce. This is an amazing crowd pleaser, and whenever all of you get together, this is a must. So we'll start with the cheese sauce first, and for that we need the following ingredients. So here I have 1.5 cups of plain milk. If you're vegan, please use a plant-based milk. You can also substitute half a cup of the milk for some cream. Then I have here 1 cup of cheddar cheese. You can use any cheese that you have. Cheddar is preferable. And I have 1 big tablespoon of butter, 1/8 of a teaspoon of turmeric or turmeric depending on where you are, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of red chili powder along with 3 teaspoons of all-purpose flour or maida. Now I'm going to just warm my butter on low so that it doesn't burn, and I'm going to add the all-purpose flour to it, the maida to it, and I'm going to roast it till the raw smell goes off. So after roasting it, I'm going to add the milk to it slowly, and if you're adding half cream to it, a little bit of cream also, then this is the time to add it. Don't worry if there's some lumps formed. That's okay. Just add the milk little by little. Those lumps would disappear, and if they still do not disappear, that's okay. You can sieve it through a fine mesh strainer and you'll get rid of the lumps. Now add the turmeric and the red chili powder and a little bit of salt. Remember to strain it before you add the cheese. That's the only thing I'd like to tell you. And now add the cheese. People add up to 2 cups of cheese. You can do that. Just increase a little bit of the water so that the cheese sauce is not very thick, because unless you're serving it right now, it tends to get thick with time. So keep the consistency, keep that in mind when you're making it. This is ready. And now for the nachos platter, we need these things for the topping. So here I have some boiled corn, some cilantro or coriander finely chopped, a little bit of onion, red onion that is finely chopped, 2 tomatoes finely chopped, 1 jalapeno pepper. You can also use sliced pickled jalapenos for this, and juice of 2 limes. Also, I'm using some black beans here, around half a cup. Please feel free to use kidney beans or white beans or pinto beans, any beans of your choice. And you can use rajma, which is red kidney beans, soak them overnight and then give them a few whistles in the morning, or just boil them till they are fork tender. So use any kind of beans, they are just a good source of protein, and that's why we're using them. If in case you plan to use something from a tin, just wash the beans out well, no matter what kind of beans it is that you're using. Just remember that. So here we have all these things ready. I'm not giving you any measurements here. See, these are washed like I said, and I'm not giving any measurements here because this is all as per your choice. Now I'm using tortilla strips here. Please go ahead and use Doritos or any kind of nachos you find in the market. These are baked, so these are low cal, and that is why I'm using them and making this platter here. And where I live, these are easily available. See, these are the baking marks. They're cooked directly on the gas. So now the first thing I'm going to do is lay them on my platter, and then I'm going to pour cheese sauce over it as much as you like. Really, it's really up to you. This is a cheesy sauce. It has the cheese taste, but it's not using too much of cheese, so don't worry. If you want, you can omit it also. Entirely up to you. Now we'll add the red onions to it. Please be generous. That's all I'm saying here. Now add the tomatoes. If there's some juice of the tomatoes while you're chopping, add that too. We're not giving it much time for waiting so that it won't get soggy, because you are going to finish it off. Trust you me, the whole family sitting together will finish it off very soon. Now we're adding boiled corn. This is sweet corn to this. I'm using canned corn. You can also boil it and use it, up to you. Now I'm adding the black beans. Like I said, you could add black-eyed peas also to this, or kidney beans or cannellini beans or pinto beans. Now I'm adding some chili sauce. If you do not like chili sauce, please go ahead and remove it. I've also added the jalapeno peppers. Now I'm squeezing the juice of 2 limes. You can also serve some guacamole on top of this and sour cream. That's also up to you, but I think this is quite rich enough on its own. But if you really want to go all out please go ahead and put guacamole on it and sour cream as well. Now I'm just putting some cilantro, that is coriander, on top, and this is absolutely ready. Just get everybody from your family together. Enjoy this while watching maybe an IPL match, or if it's the game season, whatever is your game of choice, or just get together just like that and eat it. So I hope you try it. Give it a like if you like the recipe. Share and subscribe. Press the bell notification because there is a whole lot of goodness where this came from. Bye.